3, 2, 1.
Action!
Action. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is
the time.
What's your name, bud?
ChooBird.
And this is Daddy, and this is on ChooBird's Life channel.
It is not today. It's nighttime right now.
It's not in the daytime. It's nighttime now. We had our first video was box 1 of 3, right? And
yes. Tonight
we're gonna make our second video, and this is the 2 other boxes.
Which one?
Now, again, we still haven't fixed our lighting issue yet. So let's go ahead. Let's look at this one. Let me bring this up here so it's in the light. So this is a Mewtwo box, and then this guy is the Pikachu box. Now, bud, what do you think we should do? Are you gonna count eeny, meeny, miny, mo?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Kiss a little bite of eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Which one won? Mewtwo. All right, so then we'll put Pikachu away.
You laugh because you're fat.
And we'll do Pikachu next week. All right, can you get that, or do you want Daddy to open it? I think you got it.
Shut up, broski.
We're done.
All right. Yeah, put all the trash back there. Okay, so here it is. So, let's grab the Mewtwo card. We don't need that little app card. And then let's pull out the packs first. So let's see what 4 packs are in there. What are you doing? Ow. What are you doing?
What is?
You don't want those plastic? You only want the tin? Okay.
The tin's in my back up.
All right. So can you grab those packs, because all your viewers want to see what packs you got.
This one is... Come on! Whoa. This gonna go crazy
This guy is crazy tonight. Alright, so he's got this thing about the... But why don't you just put that to the side, because nobody wants to watch you taking out plastic stuff. They want to watch the cards.
Okay, just gonna put this back in.
Yeah. So, first off is this Mewtwo. Let's see, there we go. 170 hit point Mewtwo EX. And it's got Shatter Shot and Damage Change. And it is card... No, we can't. Oh, there it is. XY107. Alright. So there it is. Now let's go ahead and let's put these 4 packs up. These are the 4 packs that came with it. So first is a Evolution XY. This one.
I love you.
This one is a Fates Collide XY. This guy is a Breakpoint. And then what's the last guy? Oh, a Charizard on the... Is that Charizard? Hey, stop shaking.
Charizard EX.
Is that Charizard EX? And then that's an Evolution XY. Alright. So which one are you going to open first?
This one.
Alright, let's see.
Comments down below. Which Pokemon card do you like?
Yeah. Don't forget to comment below.
Comment below. Press the thumbs up.
Thumbs up, the like button.
Because we're gonna make the home.
Yeah, and then also the bell so you can subscribe to us. Again, we do about a video a week now. That's what our plan is. 2, 3. Yeah, no, just 3.
No, they do it 4.
4. Okay, my bad. 4 then.
Oh.
No, you did too many. I told you. All right. So go ahead, give it to me, and I can read it for them. So this is a Fighting Fury Belt item card. Second card is a Max Potion item card. We have this guy.
This is new.
All these new Pokemons, I don't know, man.
No, this is the old. No, this is the old one. You know.
Oh, is it? I did not know that, dude. We have Pancham.
Oh, Dad, you know this one. You know this one.
Carnage? No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You got it before.
Shinx. Hey, we just battled for a Shinx today, and we won in a raid. And then let's look at your foil. A Spritzy, and then your first foil is This guy, a Sudowoodo, hilarious. And then you have a Dragogel. Again, never seen these Pokemons before. Number 86 out of 122. And it's got a Severe Poison and Dragon Pulse. You like that, bud? Is that a good card? Are you going to put your foils over there? Perfect. We'll just keep these base over here for now. Alright. What's the next pack?
The next pack.
Okay. Go ahead. Pack 2 of 4 from the second tin that we got at Costco for Christmas.
Ooh, I saw something.
You saw something? I think it's only 3, I'm telling you.
What is this in the pack?
I don't know. Did you do 4 again? Oh, I think I see something too. Alright, let me move out of the way so we can show the people.
I think it's Blastoise.
It could be. Alright, we got an item card. Devolution Spray.